Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because I'm going to show you how and why I use the PMD, the Personal Microderm Pro. I've done a video like this way back in the day, and now I'm back. So I'm no stranger to the benefits of using the PMD. I'm so excited to share that with you guys. I feel like other than my Bible study videos, my skincare videos are the next most requested. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my skin. This little guy right here gives you spa quality microdermabrasion treatments right in the comfort of your own home. And let's be real, when we're thinking about kind of the times that we're living in, it's probably safer to stay at home and give yourself a little spa treatment instead. The Personal Microderm Pro is the same price as one microdermabrasion treatment at a spa. Just one. And you can get like so many out of this, not just one. So ultimately, it saves you money in the long run. And second, it's safer because you get to do it at home. I love that it's so easy to use, and with just 3 minutes once a week, you're on your way to reducing blemishes, fine lines and wrinkles, yes please, any large pores and dark spots. And fun fact, you don't just have to use this on your face, you can use it on other parts of your body. It comes with a second little cap here that you can just switch off. The larger one here, you can kind of see the difference. The larger one here is for any parts of your body. So going more into like what it comes with, again, like I mentioned, the two different size caps, one for your face and one for your body. And then it comes with these little discs here. And you can see, oh, let me put this one back in. You can see that they are different colors. The one in here is white, and white is best if you have like sensitive skin. If you're new to microdermabrasion, this is like your first time, definitely use the white one. And then you just kind of build from there. The different colors get more and more intense. So after white, I believe it's gray. And then I think it goes to blue, then green, and then this red color. And that's not, it goes even higher, but you can order those on their website. This is just the one that comes with this set. They have a bunch of different colors. I picked pink, it's so cute. But I just love that you can customize this to fit your skin type and your skin needs. There's two different settings, a like low and then high. And then again, with these customizable discs, you can pick the right kind of intensity, is that the right word? The right kind of intensity for you to use for your little spa treatment at home. But the real reason that I am obsessed with the PMD is because it helps smooth out my skin. It helps to eliminate the texture. And if you guys watch my vlogs, you know I go on and on and on about complaining about how dry my skin is, how there's just so much texture, it's so bumpy, and this little guy helps me solve that problem. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the demo and I'll show you guys how to use this. Step one, you want to start with a clean, dry face. I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face with a cleanser. The cleanser I'm using is the Derma-E Ultra Hydrating Alkaline Cloud Cleanser. This is great if you have dry skin. So I'm going to go over to the sink, wash my face, and then pat dry it, and we'll be back. I just washed my face with my cleanser. I'm going to pat dry. And then we can move on to step two. So step number two, you want to place the correct disc that you want to use on the little, I don't want to say needle, but this little point right there. And I'm going to stick with the white. I do like the gray one though. That's like my next choice. I really like the gray one. And then you want to screw on the cap. Again, if you want to use for face or for body, I'm going to use the face one. And step three, you want to plug in your device. So I'm going to plug it in here at the bottom, and then this into the wall. Luckily, this is a pretty long cord because my outlet is way over there. So again, like I mentioned, it has two different speeds. So if you turn up this little button just a little, that's the first speed, and then that's the second speed. I like to stick with the second speed. So you hear that kind of like buzzing, kind of sucking type of sound, and it is kind of sucking your face. Let me turn this off for now. It is kind of sucking your face. It's really exfoliating your skin. But with that said, it does not hurt at all. It just feels like a gentle little pull on your skin. Again, it doesn't hurt at all. So step number four, you want to hold the skin taut and then glide it across your face, following like the curves of your face, so you can get like right around your nose perfectly. And when doing this, make sure you don't like stay in one place. Make sure you're constantly gliding it over, and don't go over the same spot like twice or multiple times. You really only need to go across the face, like the different areas of your face, once. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then we'll move on to step five. if you can tell, but afterwards your skin may look a little dry because again, it's really exfoliating your skin. So it may look a little dry right now or even a little red, but that's okay, it'll go away. So then we move on to step number 5, which is to follow up with a calming toner. My favorite calming toner is the Pixie Milky Tonic. This is a soothing toner with jojoba milk and oats. Again, great for dry skin, which obviously I have. So you're just gonna take some of that toner and just apply it to your skin. You can use a cotton round. I like to use my hands. And I kind of just like do a little tapping motion. And afterwards, finish with your favorite moisturizer and you're ready to go. I love using face oils, so I'm using the Pixie Jasmine Oil Blend and apply that to the skin. Ta-da! I'm super excited to be using it because I do have some scarring from some of my maskne. So I love that the PMD is going to help even out my skin tone. So these hopefully won't be there for much longer. And I'd say repeat this process maybe in like 5 or 7 days afterwards. But other than that, you are good to go. Again, if you're new to microdermabrasion, highly recommend using those white discs instead. And also, if you have sensitive skin and you're wondering, will this work? Is it too abrasive? Is it too intense for my skin? Well, because of the customizations you can do with the settings and the disc, sensitive skin can use it. And I can attest to that because a few days ago, I had a huge makeup fail where I had to keep wiping off my makeup over and over and over again, and my skin was so raw and sensitive, and I'm able to still use this without it irritating or hurting my skin at all. So yes, it works for sensitive skin too. I'll have more information and a link down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial. Let me know if you have any other skincare questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!